So our next one topic in the chapter living in our changing world is about the chemical reactions, page number 82. Chemical reaction is a process in which substances called the reactants are changed into the new substances called the products. And the chemical reaction is usually accompanied by the exchange of heat and light or both from the surrounding. As the combination, combustion, decomposition, and photosynthesis are classified as the chemical reactions because these process produces the new substance. So as we read about the combination, combustion, decomposition, and the photosynthesis, all these are the chemical reactions because they form the new substance. Sometimes chemical reactions that are useful for us while in the other time they are not useful for us. The useful chemical reactions such as the digestion of the food in our body, that is a useful chemical reaction. The next one is the manufacture of the food by the photosynthesis in the green plants, production of drug, soap, medicinal drugs, and the production of the bread. All these are useful chemical reactions in our life. However, there are some chemical reactions that are not useful, like the rusting of iron and the production of harmful waste products and emission of poisonous fumes from the manufacturing process have harmed us directly or indirectly. So this was our chapter. You have to do the reading of this chapter and mark the important points. Okay girls, Allah Hafiz. So our next one topic is about the changes that are caused by the light. Light that is needed by the green plants for the photosynthesis, and during photosynthesis green plants use water, carbon dioxide and the energy from the sunlight to produce the sugar, that is a glucose, and oxygen. Oxygen, that is a sugar, is used for the food for the living things. Next one are the changes, chemical changes on the photographic film that are caused by light. Light that decomposes the silver bromide coating on the photographic film into silver, which produces the dark areas on the film with the shape of the image formed on the film. Next one, the third one change that is caused by the light that change into other form of energy such as electricity. The photocells in a solar powered calculator make use of photoelectric effect to generate the electricity from the light energy. That's mean photocells that use the light energy and convert it into electrical energy. Next one change, third one is about the change that is caused by mixing. Changes occur when we mix two or more substances together. However, this may not happen all the time. Like if we mix water and the sand, there are no new substances formed, while when we mix water, sand and cement, then a new substance is formed, that is called the mortar. In our daily life, we mix many substances to form the new ones, which we then use for the various purposes. As when we mix sugar with the water, we will notice that the sugar crystals disappear after a while and the water becomes sweet. And when the concentrated sulfuric acid is mixed with the sugar, then a black substance is formed, that shows that a new substance is formed due to mixing. So these were the changes that are caused by mixing. Next one are the changes that are caused by electricity. Passing an electric current through a substance may change its properties either temporarily or permanently, as when an electric current passes through the filament in the electric bulb, the filament heats up and glows. But as soon as the electric current stops, flowing, the filament cools and no light is given out. Next one change that is caused by electricity. Next one change that is caused by electricity is decomposition. As some substances decompose into simpler substances when the electricity passes through them. As the example is when an electric current passes through the water decomposes into hydrogen gas and the oxygen gas. And when electricity is passes through the copper sulfate solution, that is a reddish brown substance and is dark blue in shade. When the electricity passes through the copper sulfate solution, copper deposits on the iron rod and the blue concentration of the solution fades away and converts into light blue. Next one is the change that is caused by electricity is the magnetic effect on the iron rod. Electricity can also cause a piece of iron rod to have a magnetic effect, and when electricity is passed through a wire round on the iron rod is able to attract the paper clip, as you can see on the page number 81. So here you can see that when the electricity passed through the wire wound round on the iron nail, it behaved like a magnetic effect and attract the paper clips.